Hi again, guys. So right now I'll be demonstrating to you how to write the faux calligraphy, all the lowercase alphabet. All right. So just for the sake of demonstration, I will just use one color so that you'll easily see it. But then later on, when we do our project, and then we will be doing more of the blending and more of combining different colors. All right, so here we go. So there you have it. These are the lowercase faux calligraphy examples and how to write it. So I just forgot the G a while ago, so I put another line in there. Make sure that's a thick line, so you'll have that double line going on. So it's up to you. You can shade this, or you can even, start doing the ombre effect. It's all up to you, but later on our project, I will show you more about this. So we have like some materials that you can download. So the arrows will show you which are the downstrokes. All right, so you'll understand that. So you just have to practice this. This is just, my writing style. If you have another way of writing a letter, feel free to do so. Just the basic idea wherein you just write the letter and then you go back and do another line on the downstroke to make sure that it looks like a faux calligraphy eventually. All right, so let's go on now with the uppercase alphabet. So now I'll be showing you the uppercase faux calligraphy. So it's basically the same. You just have to write the letter as is, and then you just have to go back and do a second line to make it look like it's a natural calligraphy.